Anyone home? Help!
Oh my God.
Oh, look at my new hat. Definitely wants his corn.
You made him get the corn?
Well, someone's looking to get freedom. Oh, got it too. Oh, I think he needs new strings. He's looking for some company. I think she just said dinner's over. Absolutely, dinner's over. She's had enough. Oh, that's my scratching post. Oh, animals are so funny. Oh, he's probably saying, where are you going with my door? Oh, butt out. Oh, he really likes his toy. Look what I can do. Oh, these guys are hilarious. Fainting goats. Oh, somebody's enjoying that. Ah, good to see you, buddy. Ah, looking for someone to come out and play. Oh, what a copycat.
Copy me. Do it again.
Did it again, that's a riot. Oh, butting heads. Aw, so cute. Running and running and running and getting nowhere. Oh. I don't think you're going anywhere, buddy. Trying to catch all the raindrops. Oh, he's got his very own little bush. Play toy. Ooh, this guy's testing fate. Oh.
Smile like me.
What beautiful teeth you have. Oh, I bet you likes that water better than the creek. Oh, finally got it.
Hello, noisy
Freedom!
boys. Hello.
Time to go play. Wait for me, I want to play. Whoa, took a little tumble. Goats in a tree, oh my goodness. Whoa! Oh, this one's picking up all the scraps.
Hi. Hi.
Oh.
Hey.
I think he
Charlotte.
thinks it's a friend. Butting heads.